Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we are looking at the evolution of computing, and this is going to really help you to understand the different layers of compute. And so we're going to start from on the left-hand side to dedicated and work our way all the way to functions. So what I want you to know is that when we're talking about dedicated, this is a physical server wholly utilized by a single customer. And so the idea is that this customer has purchased this dedicated piece of hardware. But the thing with this is that you have to guess your capacity. So when you buy it, it's like a capital cost, or you're purchasing for like the whole, like you have to plan how you're going to fully utilize it. So you're going to overpay and you're going to have underutilized servers. And the reason why is that when you first launch your app, it might be small, and then you're expected to grow into that space, but you're just not using that space until you grow into it. So it's considered wasted. If you want to upgrade beyond your capacity, this is going to be slow and expensive. You literally would have to buy a new server that's larger and then move everything over. You're going to be limited by your operating system. So whatever operating system is installed, that's what you're going to have. You're going to have multiple apps. If you do install multiple apps onto a dedicated server, you might have conflicts in resource sharing, but generally it's recommended to only have a single primary application on a dedicated server. You are going to have a guarantee of security, privacy, and full utility of the underlying resources, because that's the whole purpose of having a dedicated server is. Sometimes dedicated servers where you have full control of everything is called bare metal. And that's basically mimics what it was like to have a server on premise or back in the day. And they still exist. So that is dedicated. And we'll move on to VMs.